Hi everyone, happy Sunday. I hope you had an amazing week. Today, for this episode of Sunday School, we are going to be talking about Excel Builder Clear. Now, this is our strongest gel that we have in our collection. We've had a couple questions about, why you would choose to use this product over other products, what instances might cause that selection, and what it's really good for. So we're going to get into that today. We're going to talk about this bad boy. Let's get going. So Excel Builder Clear is the strongest builder gel that we have in our collection. It is the closest to a traditional hard gel you're going to find. It is still a semi-hard gel. Kokoist, the entire brand is actually semi-hard. So everything that we have in our collection is going to be soak off, which is kind of one of the things that we really pride ourselves in is, the durability, but also the functionality of being able to apply and remove these products in any way you see fit. Excel Builder Clear, that being said, is the hardest one that we have. So this is what we use when we are sculpting, when we are extending, or if we are doing overlays on very long natural nails. This is kind of the one that you're going to want to look towards when you need that real dependable strength. The smallest size of Excel Builder Clear we have here is 4 grams, and then the larger size we have is 20 grams. I do not have it on me, but it is 5 times the size of this. So if you are a sculptor and you like doing really long natural nails, the 20-gram pot is definitely going to be a better option money-wise for you. It's going to be the best bang for your buck, and you're not going to run out of it every 2 seconds. You'll notice when you play with it that it does have a thicker consistency. You can see how it doesn't really move off of my brush too much. That is because it is a harder gel. So you can build longer with it and it's not going to move as much. It still will self-level for you. It's just going to be a little bit slower moving than something like our Platinum Bond Duo or our Nail Thoughts Builder gels. But that's actually really advantageous when you are building a longer nail. Sometimes if they self-level too fast, you're going to have a hard time kind of maintaining the shape of the overall nail, and you're going to end up with much more finish filing. So having this slightly thicker consistency for sculpting nails is actually beneficial in a lot of ways. So you guys have heard me talk about playing between the lines of strength and adhesion. When you have a very strong product, it's typically not as adhesive. When you have a very adhesive product, typically it's not as strong. Because this is the strongest builder gel that we have in our collection, we're over here, we're not so much over on the adhesive side. So this product does require a coat of Megastick base before applying your actual enhancement builder layer. So when would you reach for Excel Builder Clear? So like I said, this product is really great for sculpting and extending a natural nail. If you're sculpting over forms or over any kind of tip, it's as soon as you're getting into the longer lengths, this becomes very, very valuable product. Even if I'm doing like a natural or medium length extension, a lot of the time I will reach for the Excel Builder Clear just because I like that assurance of the extra strength. And it still feels really lightweight. It's a really nice product. As far as natural nail overlays go, this product is still going to work really, really nicely for you. Like I said, as long as you have that Mega Stick layer underneath it, it's going to adhere and give you the strength that you're looking for. Especially when you're reaching into the natural nail lengths that maybe the length is longer, like the free edge length is longer than the length of the natural nail bed. That's typically when I will reach for something a lot stronger like the Excel Builder Clear over something like the Nail Thoughts Builders. It's also just really great to reach for if you have a problem client. Say they are not having success with the softer gels, they are always lifting, they're always peeling, they're always picking, maybe they have a job that's really, really hard on their hands. They need that extra strength, that extra durability, that extra oomph that the Excel Builder Clear is going to offer them. So switching them from something that's a little bit softer to the Excel Builder Clear, a lot of the time is going to fix a lot of the service issues that you're having for problem clients like that. Personally, I very often reach for the Excel Builder Clear to overlay my gel lip extensions just because it is super sturdy, very durable. I can build a really nice thin extension while still getting all that strength that I want, so it looks as natural as possible. Really great product for overlaying gel lip extensions. So that's my 2 cents on the Excel Builder Clear. I hope it answered a few questions for you. As always, of course, if you have any other questions, question box is right here. Feel free to ask anything you got, and I will do my very best to get back to you by the end of the day. But other than that, I hope you have a super amazing rest of your Sunday, and we will see you next week.